Hi guys, today I'm showing you here how I use Sweyn Forkbeard hair pomade in my hair to control a bit of the frizz and a bit of these rebel hairs here I have. So here's the pomade, you can see. So first thing, you're going to scratch with the back of your nail like this. For me, I'll grab them out like that, it's fine. So I'll put in my palm here as I'm cleaning the finger here, then I'll just spread. If you feel any grains, you can just send them off like this, and yeah, you're ready to go. So to finish off combing, I'm gonna use this wooden comb. What I like about this comb is that it has wide bristles, so the comb won't set in my hair while I'm combing. So yeah. So yeah, it looks way better now, right? So that's it guys, thanks for watching.